Thank you for watching this one. All right, so we got these windows in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows on the top. We still gotta do a window on each side, one window in the front. On this box here, we got these windows cut and chamfered. Still gotta polish them up. Thank you for watching this one. Hopefully you learned a few things. Hopefully you enjoyed the tricks and tips along the way as I went through this episode in the process. We're gonna keep grinding on these boxes. We got a whole bunch of work to do, a whole lot of videos coming to you guys. Subscribe, like the channel, share it everywhere you can, and see you guys in the next one.